won't see this one coming. The tastiest and easiest way to make a meat stew.
We're gonna make the ultimate spoon dish, and you're all thinking legumes. But it's not about meat. With potatoes. Just like that. Just like that. But with this recipe, it always turns out super tasty, and your potatoes will always be just right. Plus, it works with any meat. All advantages. So pay attention until the end, and let me know if you prepare it the same way.
Pay attention or you'll miss it. It's so simple and quick, it'll amaze you. A drizzle of oil in a pot, 3 cloves of garlic sliced thin. Sauté them a little over medium heat, and when they start to brown, just a bit, add half an onion, also finely chopped. Let it cook gently, but make sure to stir it from time to time. Take this time to chop half a bell pepper and do the same. Look, cut it into strips, and once you have the strips, turn them and cut them all at once, making lots of little cubes. Isn't it easy? Well, I do the same with the onion and a bunch of other vegetables. Easy, quick, and impressive. We add it to the pot, and just like before, we stir it and cook until the vegetables start to get soft. On the other hand, we're going to take the meat, a whole package, about 500 grams. We add salt to taste and also, which is essential, freshly ground black pepper that gives it an amazing kick. You stir it a little to mix everything and set it aside, already seasoned with salt and pepper. Isn't it easy? Everything is easy nowadays. We take the pot, add the freshly seasoned meat, and
seasoned with salt and pepper and everything.
And we stir it little by little until it starts to brown. We just want this to sear, what they call searing, which is for it to completely change color. Once you have it, cover it with water and start cooking. Depending on the type of meat you use, it will take a little more or a little less time. And if you want to enhance the flavor with a teaspoon of beef concentrate, even better, it always gives an impressive punch.
If you want, you can add a touch of spice to give it some kick. As always, that's up to your taste, but this recipe always turns out delicious.
However, to cook the meat, I recommend you cover the pot. That way, it will cook much faster. Once the meat is tender, you can check it with a knife. If it goes in easily, the meat is ready. Time to add the potatoes in. You can add them in slices, you can add them in pieces, but if they're roughly broken, even better, they release more flavor and the sauce will be even tastier. And now cook for about 20 minutes until the potatoes are soft. I recommend doing it with the
pot uncovered,
so the sauce loses water and becomes more flavorful. Now enjoy. Look at this amazing dish I'm serving myself. Total envy.
Look at this little dish. We prepared in no time a
dish of
spoon dish that's always good, that you crave in winter, but you enjoy all year round. Remember to use tasty meat, one that you like, pork, beef, turkey, whatever you prefer.
Can you guess what it is?
It's delicious and melts in your mouth. I hope you like the idea. And here I leave you the list with ingredients and quantities so you can take notes, and it'll be even easier for you to make it at home. And YouTube tells me something. This video that pops up here is going to delight you. Click on the little box and enjoy it.